Hey, hi everyone. This is the first session of demo video of Predictive Astrology Program. In this first session, you will be learning the rule and applications. What kind of rule and what kind of application will be used in this Predictive Astrology. This is a topic which you will be learning in the first session. And yes, before moving further, if somebody wanted to understand in the Hindi way, then I made a separate channel that is called Being Sensible. So that accordingly the language preference, they can choose a channel. So now come to back to the demo part. This whole program, the prediction, is made through based on houses of combinations, which you will be learning in a session. Here I'm taking the two topics, meaning and functionality of planet and Vimsotri Dasha and meanings. So majority people would know, I assume majority people would know the house, the 12th house, 12th sign, and 9 planets. So with this concept, you will understanding the conjunction or combination of a collaboration of house, sign, and planet helps you to understanding the prediction part. And this more filtration comes when you get idea while merging all these three, what event take place through the houses of combinations. So it's just for the briefing part that how you can assess your house strength or quality and how you can also understand the sign the strength also. So in the first, as we know, the first house, in astrologically, house strength is defined by the sign, and sign is defined by the strength of the planet. So when we try to figure out the house strength, but when we come to understanding the sign, so again, sign is Virgo, is which is governed by the Mercury. Okay. So as we know that the house and sign is indirectly or indirectly will be connected, will be predicted through the planetary basis. So if in this case, if Mercury, the sign is Mercury, having any of these combinations will make an impact in the individual. Just like it's mentioned in the first house saying mind and self. Suppose a person having a 216 which is saying the depression. So cellular tendency, phobia, and negative mindset. So there are more than 400 combinations, more than 400 combinations, which helps you to predict any part of the life. So these are the few combinations, but there are more than 400 combinations, comes in different houses. Just like if any one combination, 7, 8, 12 comes in the first house and any of these houses, it helps you to understand the quality of the house, the strength of the sign, and the planet. So to understand what I have just spoke, I just to bring the case study. So here I'm taking took the screenshot of the one person. So there's a 9th planet, Ketu, Moon, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Saturn, Sun, Rahu, Mercury. And if I take this first house and second house on that terms, here's the first house. What sign is? Leo, which is governed by the Sun, which having 6, 8, 12. Which means the first house we know that is mental temperament. So the person would be more easily get angered and frustrated. When it comes to 12th house, which is saying the moon because it's Cancer sign, which is telling 10, 11, which means that the losses and expenses, he easily get additional favor after investment also. So there would be some good advantage in this chart. So in this session, you will be better understanding what the sign comes in which houses as per your chart, and then the prediction made. So you get idea what is the house strength and quality, and again the sign quality, and I mean the sign strength also with this concept. So now I'm going to pick second one, the Vimsoti Dasha and meaning, and it just only telling what is the upcoming challenges and individual basis. Okay. So how do we conclude which year having a downfall and which year having a good phase? So Bhukti, which tell us the yearly changes, Antra also telling the monthly changes, and further on. So here I'm taking again a set of examples to give you better understanding on the basis of Vimsotri impact, which you will be learning in a session. So the Mahadasa is Sun, Bhukti is Mercury, Antara is Saturn, Venus, sorry. So Bhukti, which is starting from 9 October 2023, it ended up in 15 August 2024. So now we have to understand the Mercury combinations. Here the combinations, which is standing in 6, 10, 11. So from 2023, October 23 to 24, August, he having a good phase. No matter what comes, he able to retain whatever he lost whenever he find a problem. Now, when we come to Antra, which is setting the monthly challenges, which is started from last year, only in December, mid-December, and it ended up with 24 and early 24. So we have to check the Venus. Venus having a 6 at 12. So, which is saying that only this phase for 1.5 month only, he experienced challenges, more expenses, mood swings, additional work challenges. So, in a session, you get better understanding your. First, you also get idea that what is the combination you're having, and how you can conclude these combinations with a few formulas, and then you can predict and the basis of Mahadasa basis. So, in the first part, you will be better understanding each topic in detailed manner with your own combinations. And the next session would be the health and longevity, where you can understand in a very detailed manner that how would be the health, in which year you're having challenges, and which year you're having a regained health if you're having a problem, which either you can find from with this website, or again you can find it from the separate YouTube channel. Whether you prefer for English, then you go for Being Sensible double two, or if you would like to want to see this demo video in Hindi, then check out Being Sensible. Thank you.